Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you're here today because today we are talking about some Valentine's Day outfits that I think might inspire you for the month of February. During the month of February, is it February or is it February? Like, I always have such trouble saying the word February. February, I don't know. But during the month of February, now it sounds weird, I really like to wear pinks and whites and reds and brown tones. I am a huge fan of Valentine's Day. I think it is the world's best marketing tactic. I love Valentine's Day so much. I've been spending it with my boyfriend for the last 5 years or so, and we just really love Valentine's Day. So today I just wanted to show you guys a couple of outfits, whether it's like a Valentine's Day glammed up date night, or even if it's like a Netflix and chill kind of night. So in honor of the first day of February, I thought that it would be a good idea to show you a couple of outfits and also gift ideas towards the end of the video. If you're stuck in a rut or you're wondering what to get your boyfriend or girlfriend this year for Valentine's Day. So I have a cute little bowl of Lily's dark chocolate with me, which I definitely think you guys should definitely consider getting for your Valentine's Day chocolates this year. It's called Lily's Dark Chocolate Chips, and so they have the chocolate chips, but they also have like different candy bars actually. And I saw Katie by Lustrelux talking about Lily's, and I got influenced by her, and then I was like, I went on Amazon and I was like, I need to buy these now. So I got the dark chocolate chips. They're really good, and I think they're like keto friendly. There's like no sugar or something like that, which is crazy to me because it tastes really, really delicious. Secondly, I would like to let you guys know that a Valentine's Day lookbook / try-on haul is coming very, very soon. And it features this top that I am wearing here. It's by one brand completely, so I'm really excited to share that with you guys. I picked up some really, really beautiful Valentine's Day pieces, but today's video is more just like outfit ideas and different things like that, and just like kind of getting in the Valentine's Day spirit. So, with that said, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what should you do? You should just subscribe down below. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, the links will be down below in the description box. And I make new videos on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so definitely stay tuned because a lot of Valentine's Day stuff to come. But without further ado, let's just get on with the outfits. So I wanted to start off with like dressiest to least dressy. Let's talk about this dress here. So this dress still has a tag on it. This dress I got like a while ago in the summer. You guys have seen this in my summer Boohoo try-on haul last year. Now this dress Boohoo is really famous for. It's like in this gorgeous blush pink color, and I think I might wear this year because I just didn't have a chance to wear it. And it's also a little bit fleshy toned, which I'm not gonna lie, like makes the stomach look a little bit. Hopefully my boyfriend and I will be going to somewhere with French cuisine where the portions are like this big because my stomach kind of comes out. This one is super, super comfortable. You can wear it in two different ways. You can wear it more off the shoulder, or you can wear it like less off the shoulder, which is really nice. So this first look, I paired it with the leopard heels that you guys have seen before in my what I bought from Amazon video. I'll leave links to everything that I mentioned today down below in the description. The next dress I really, really love. I wore it recently to a wedding. One of my college friends got married recently, last weekend actually, and it's this one here by Topshop. Now I love this because of that front bow detail. Okay, you guys, also I showed up at the wedding and someone else was wearing the same dress in a red color, and it does come in red, and she looked gorgeous in it. She had like a gorgeous tan, this red color dress, short bob hair, and like nude heels, and it was a look, okay? It was super, super cute. I wore it with just like this with my leopard print heels, my YSL So Kate bag, and then my hair was just down. I'll insert some photos, but yeah, it was really, really cute. Hits at a nice midi length, which is perfect for me because I personally like that a lot. My boyfriend and I this year decided that we're gonna do a like going out kind of glammed up date night on like a rooftop bar-ish dinner place. I'm really excited because like we don't really dress up a ton, like especially after dating for 5 years, like you just like don't go out as much as you used to. I don't know if like you guys are the same way, if you've been dating like your boyfriends or girlfriends for like a couple of years, but that's just us. Like, we don't really go out that much anymore. But I'm really excited because I love going out, so yeah. Okay, what is the next outfit? Oh, the next outfit, I'm wearing the jeans right now, but there are these ones here. Okay, I can't really show you guys, but they're these ones here by American Eagle, and I'm planning on doing a best white jeans video, and these are gonna be featured in it because these jeans are so cute. They remind me so much of the Reformation jeans that, like, they're called faucet jeans by Reformation, and like I see all Instagram girls wearing it. And I got it in a size 6. I bought the 6 and the 8, but the 6 worked out better for me. I'm gonna mention those jeans in that video, so stay tuned for that video. The coat is hanging out right behind me. I got it from Korea. And then the blouse that I'm wearing is by Lilysilk, and I love Lilysilk. It's such a gorgeous material, really, really soft, really silky and smooth, heavy duty material. As you can tell, I'm like really on a silk satiny vibe right now. I've been wearing all things silk, all things satin. I even got like a silk lace cami underneath right now. So that's what I'm wearing. And then the shoes are super duper cute. They're these Mules by Boohoo as well. I got them last summer too. So if I can find a link to a similar shoe down below, I will leave it there. But these are in a baby pink color. I don't have any baby pink color shoes besides these ones, and I love like all the baby pink tones. Like I feel like a casual kind of outdoor, like not too dressed up dinner place would be a really cute place to wear this outfit with like a cute little designer bag or like just like a little clutch. I feel like would be really cute. I know it's kind of like a short outfits video, but for the last outfit that I wanted to feature, much more casual. This is definitely something I would wear like if I'm just going over to my boyfriend's house and we're gonna watch like a documentary. And yes, we recently watched Fire, the documentary on Netflix. So good, so good. I really enjoyed it. I have so many thoughts about it, but that is for a different video. So this one here is my boyfriend's sweater, and I think just wearing like your partner's sweater is like, it's just fun. It's like, it's cozy, it's cute, and then just like pair it with your favorite jeans. And like this outfit here is just really sentimental, I guess, to me, because not only is this my boyfriend's sweater, and if you know the Big Baller brand, then you know. So in Korea, like it's a big thing to wear couple stuff, like couple items, like couple 신발, and that's like couple shoes or couple like shirts and like whatever. I feel like in the States we don't really do it as much. These ones here are our couple shoes. These are the Nike Air Force Ones in the Jester XX style. The difference between this is that it has like a little like almost like a tag kind of on the side of the shoe, which I love that detail. And then the Air Force One isn't metal, it's a complete white matte, which I love. They're kind of platformed, which is amazing. So my boyfriend and I both have these. It's our couple shoes. We love wearing it together. Now on to all the gift ideas that I have for this Valentine's Day. I'm gonna mention a lot of different price points and stuff. So let's start from least pricey, like cheapest, I guess, all the way to like most expensive. So the first item is actually gonna be a karaoke mic. Most girls like to sing their heart out, and just girls that I know, like even when they're by themselves, it's nice to just like sing, you know? I don't know, I love it. You can just hook it up to Bluetooth to your phone and like look up YouTube instrumental songs, whatever, and just sing them. The second gift idea is gonna be this hand warming cup. Now I got this for my sister for Christmas and she loves it. So when she pours her tea in, she just sticks her hands inside and it keeps it really warm. I got mine on Amazon and it is a little bit pricier, but she really loves it and it does keep her hands warm. Anyone you know who loves tea or like loves drinking coffee, I feel like that might be a really good gift idea. The next gift idea I did get for my sisters for Christmas. So if you were keeping up with Vlogmas and my blog and everything, I'm sorry if this is a little redundant, but I feel like getting wine glasses for your significant other this Valentine's Day is a really classy gift, not super expensive. So the ones that I got are from Crate & Barrel in the Camilla style, I want to say. It's nice to just bring that as a gift and then share a bottle of wine together. So moving on to the next gift is getting yourselves a pair of couple shoes or couple item. Now for Valentine's Day, of course, like for Galentine's Day, or celebrate like you and your best friends or you and your girlfriends, or you know, so celebrate how you celebrate. But for me personally, I love having those sentimental items like the sweater or the shoes like I mentioned, and my boyfriend and I bought it for each other. You know, we both have it and we can go on dates and wear it together, and there's a little myth that, you know, you buy someone a pair of shoes and they'll like walk right out of your life in those shoes. I don't really believe in like those myth things. I think just getting a pair of shoes is like getting a pair of shoes. But if that's like really freaks you out, then maybe getting your significant other their favorite sweater is a really cute idea, or their favorite book. So my boyfriend, he reads a lot of books. He has an Excel spreadsheet and even marks the day that he started the book and ended the book, how many pages were in the book, and like just a short little like summary of the book on that Excel spreadsheet. So I love that about him. He's a total bookworm and I love it so much. The next gift is to get tickets. Tickets is like the best gift, whether it's like a sporting event. So my boyfriend and my brother and I, we all three went to the Chargers game over Christmas. That was a lot of fun. And then the last and final gift is to just write a card. I feel like cards have been kind of overlooked, but I love receiving cards. You know, I feel like someone taking the time to write down how they feel on like a note or a letter or a card is just really sentimental, you know, to read how someone feels. So I would just recommend writing your significant other a card this Valentine's Day. But these are all the gift ideas that I have for you guys. Aside from the typical chocolates and flowers and teddy bears and all that kind of stuff, maybe take some time to think about your boyfriends or your men in your life and get them like a nice little Valentine's Day gift. So those are all of my ideas and my outfits. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big, big, big thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for all the upcoming videos next week and the following weeks, because I have tons and tons of content that I'm going to be sharing with you all. So stay tuned on my channel, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and all those great places. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye! Bye!